Introduction to Space Law.
International space treaties form the foundation for peaceful and cooperative exploration beyond Earth. Since the dawn of the space age, countries have worked together to create laws and agreements that guide activities, protect the rights of all nations, and promote responsible behavior in space.
The Outer Space Treaty of 1967.
The Outer Space Treaty, signed in 1967, is often called the Magna Carta of space law. It declares that outer space is free for exploration by all countries, forbids national ownership of celestial bodies, bans weapons of mass destruction in space, and promotes peaceful use. This historic document laid the groundwork for all future space agreements.
The Rescue Agreement of 1968.
Following the Outer Space Treaty, the Rescue Agreement was adopted in 1968. It requires countries to assist astronauts in distress, whether on Earth or in space, and ensures the safe return of personnel and spacecraft components. This agreement strengthened international cooperation and humanitarian principles in space exploration.
The Liability and Registration Treaties.
Two more key treaties soon followed, the Liability Convention of 1972 and the Registration Convention of 1976. The Liability Convention outlines responsibility for damage caused by space objects, while the Registration Convention requires states to record details of objects launched into orbit. Both treaties enhance accountability and transparency among spacefaring nations.
The Moon Agreement of 1979.
The Moon Agreement, adopted in 1979, expands on previous treaties by declaring the Moon and its resources the common heritage of all humankind. Although only a few countries have ratified it, this agreement emphasizes cooperation and careful stewardship of lunar activities and resources.
Modern cooperation and the Artemis Accords.
In recent years, new frameworks, like the Artemis Accords, have emerged to guide international partnerships for lunar and Mars missions. Built on principles from earlier treaties, these agreements promote peaceful exploration, transparency, and sharing scientific data, continuing the spirit of global cooperation in space.
Conclusion: the future of space governance.
International space treaties and agreements have enabled decades of peaceful exploration and scientific progress. As more nations and private entities enter space, these foundational frameworks will guide cooperation, address new challenges, and ensure space remains a safe and open environment for all.